Here is the ICStation website, and here is their product. You can see this is 8-channel remote control. Here is the description: 12 volt 8-channel 8-bit infrared receiver board module plus 9-key remote control, self-lock, 250 milliampere, 8 meter. So the regular price is something $15.39, whereas in discount they are offering $11.70. So this is a really nice project, you can say, our product from the ICStation. Here is a little bit detail they have given. So we will power this up and we'll see how it is working and how it is functioning. I'm picking up one, and this one is, they have sent it to me, and as you know, this is the remote control unit for the home appliances. Here we will bring it off of the package. Here is another pack in the pack, something like that. So here is, they have given this 9 switches remote. Here is the power. Here are 8 switches other, which are for control, of course. So we will see this and we will power this up, this unit. So we'll cut it off of the package. So something like that. This is an excellent unit, you can say, a beautiful unit from ICStation. So this is the black color PCB, and here are 8 relays, you can see. Here is the IR sensor. Here are some controlling chips. Here is the regulator IC, I can see, and there are LED status LEDs, 4 here and 4 here for these relays, and they have given connections for the outside world as NO. Here is the NC. This is NC. This is common, and here is the NO for channel 1. They have mentioned it like channel 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the introduction for this unit, and now we are going to power this up. So we will connect our load over here to this and this, normally open, and to common. We will connect our load, and here we will supply 12 volt. So it needs 12 volt to function the circuit, and then we will remotely control our appliances. So you can control 8 appliances in your bedroom. People are showing on internet, they have given something single channel or 2 channel or 3 channel remote controls, but this is 8 channel. So it's a beautiful unit. It's something really nice and a palm size, not very big, and the remote control is really beautiful. So what we will do is we are going to power this up. For powering up we need 12 volt, and of course what we will do is first we will connect our load, because I'm going to show you the real load with this one. I'm not going to show only the indication, but I will connect this 100 watt lamp so that you will see this switching on while we will put with the power, and then while we will switch this on by remote control. So here is what is the common terminal, and here is the NO, sorry. So with the NO we will connect one wire of our lamp here. So we will twist it a little bit so that it will not make connection here and there. It's a mains power, so you should have to take care, because care is required. And we will take one wire to make connection with the common terminal. So here we will provide power from our mains to this terminal, and then lamp, and then the other wire of the lamp we will connect to the supply line. So this is something like, you can say, the lamp is connected in series with this relay. So the relay contact is coming in the way of this lamp. This is for the beginners actually. I'm explaining a little bit more in detail. So here we will connect it to the 220 volt power. I've connected to the 220 volt power. Now what we will do is we will connect our 12 volt. So 12 volt is over here, you can see, and don't make a mistake, here they have written positive, plus, and there is minus. Minus is on the top and plus is underneath. So we will connect our 12 volt. It needs something like this connection, or you may have to solder 2 wires over here and then connect to the 12 volt. So the positive, the red one wire, will come under and the upper will be negative. So something like this. While we will switch this 12 volt, so here you can see the status LED D9 had been come, and it is showing the status that the circuit is now switched on. This is the power LED, of course, for this unit. Now I'm going to press a button, A channel, of course, but it will not work. The reason is we will have to remove one plastic from the remote control. Normally these remote controls, they have a plastic piece over here. It must be removed before making it in working. So they have provided for the battery life, something like that. So now I'm pressing on channel A to switch this lamp on. So as you saw, while I pressed on channel A, the lamp had been switched on, and here the status LED is coming, which is showing that this channel A is switched on now. So now again pressing on A plus, it will switch off. So again pressing on A plus, it will be switched on. Pressing again, it will switch off. So something like that. Actually it is infrared remote control, so the sensor should be in line with the infrared receiver. Now I'm going to make these channels on and off. These are E, F, G, H. So here these buttons I'm going to switch on, switch on, switch on, and switch on. All these channels have been switched on. So other all channels I'm going to switch on as well here. So here, 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 and here, all channels are now switched on. Now I'm going to switch off all these channels. So from A I am starting. Here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All channels have been switched off. So of course this on button is used, this power button is used to switch all channels at once switched on, and all channels switched off at once. So this power button is for that purpose, all channels at once. So this is what is the function of this remote control, and it's really handy unit, small unit, beautiful and very reliable also, it seems. What I'm doing now is we will make another experiment, that if I will switch this unit, this A1 channel on, this A1 is now on. Now I'm going to disconnect the power from the 12 volt, and then let us see what is happening. Now it's switched off. Now again I'm switching this power in, so it is not remembering the state. If we make it memory for this one, we should have to provide this 12 volt from some external source, somewhat our battery, from some our battery or something like that. So now we are going to test this circuit for the power consumption, how much power it is consuming, using our multimeter. 12 volt, actually the 12 volt line we will test using our multimeter. We have to grab our multimeter, put it to the ampere DC, and then changing the probe of course to the DC amperes. And now I'm going to check the current for this one, this unit. So here it is, and we will put our meter probe inside the power supply, and then here it is consuming something 4 milliampere. So something 4 milliampere is the current, and while we are switching on a relay, then we will see how much power it is consuming. So while switching on a relay, it is consuming something 32 milliampere, as you can see. So I will switch on some other relay so that you will be able to see it. So 34 milliampere, here is the power which is consumed if one relay is switched on. Now I'm going to switch on all relays, then we will see how much power is consumed. By switching on all relays, it is consuming something 233 milliampere. 233 milliampere is the current while all relays are switched on. While all relays are switched off, then 4 milliampere is the standby current for this unit. Only 4 milliampere it is consuming while everything is off. So this is, so every relay will add something 32 milliampere for each for this 12 volt from this. Every relay will draw something 32 milliampere from the 12 volt line. So this is the current for this unit. So really beautiful unit. I like it, and it will be a good addition in my bedroom. Hopefully, ICStation products are good. They are cheap, they are reliable, and they are working as well. Thank you for watching. Keep on watching. Stay tuned. Subscribe and give us a big thumbs up.